Tired of travel feeling more stressful than it should be? These insanely useful Amazon travel gadgets you didn't know existed are here to make every trip smoother, smarter, and way more convenient. From packing hacks to on-the-go essentials, they solve problems you didn't even realize you had. All products are linked in the description below. Your coffee deserves better than lukewarm and forgotten. This smart mug actively keeps your drink at the exact temperature you set, down to a single degree, for up to 5 hours on a single charge. Pick your drink mode and it automatically heats to the perfect temperature for coffee, green tea, or black tea, no guessing involved. A crisp LED display shows you the current temp and battery level at a glance. It even shuts itself off when empty, so you never have to think twice about leaving it on. Show up to every meeting looking like you meant it. This convertible bag carries your suits and dresses flat so they arrive wrinkle-free, then flips into a regular duffel when you need the extra space. A dedicated shoe compartment keeps your footwear separate from your clothes. No more plastic bags. The waterproof exterior handles rain, overhead bins, and everything in between. It's a 2-day bag and a garment carrier all in one, without the bulk of carrying both. A printer that fits in your backpack and never needs ink. Yes, really. This compact wireless printer connects to your phone via Bluetooth and prints full-sized letter and A4 pages using heat instead of ink cartridges, so there's nothing to replace and nothing to run out of. One full charge prints up to 160 pages, enough for a full work trip. PDFs, contracts, boarding passes, photos. If it's on your phone, you can print it in seconds. It's the kind of gadget you didn't know you needed until you're traveling and suddenly really need a printer. Cold leftovers at lunch are a thing of the past. This portable electric lunchbox plugs into any outlet or car socket and warms up your meal right in the container. No microwave needed. It holds a generous 20 ounces, enough for a full portion of soup, pasta, or last night's dinner. The lid locks tight so nothing spills in your bag on the way there, and the whole inner container goes straight in the dishwasher after. Warm food wherever you are. Never stare blankly at a pill bottle, wondering if you already took it today. This 7-day organizer gives each day its own labeled compartment, so one glance tells you exactly where you stand. It comes with 161 color-coded stickers to mark your meds however makes sense to you. The whole thing is barely bigger than a credit card stack, slips right into a purse or pocket with no fuss. Simple, cheap, and genuinely useful every single day. Fresh smoothies shouldn't require a full kitchen setup. This pocket-sized blender holds 500 milliliters, charges via USB like your phone, and blends a full smoothie in just 45 seconds. 12 stainless steel blades spin fast enough to crush ice and frozen fruit without breaking a sweat. Toss it in your bag and drink straight from the cup. No extra glass, no mess. It's the upgrade your mornings have been waiting for. One outlet should never have to choose between your laptop, phone, and everything else. This compact travel strip packs 4 AC outlets, 2 USB-A ports, and a USB-C port into something barely bigger than a deck of cards. The flat 45-degree plug sits flush against the wall, so it doesn't hog the whole socket. A built-in cable wrap keeps your cords tidy, whether it's on your desk or packed in your bag. 7 devices charging at once, 0 chaos. The suitcase that disappears when you're not using it. This hardshell carry-on collapses down to just 2 inches thin, slim enough to slide under your bed or tuck behind a closet door. Pop it open, and you've got a full-size 21-inch cabin bag that meets most airline carry-on requirements. The polycarbonate shell shrugs off scratches, water, and bumps, while the coated wheels glide silently across any floor. It's the smartest thing to happen to travel storage in a long time. Your neck carries the weight of the day. It's time to give it some relief. This 3-in-1 pillow combines gentle traction, soothing heat, and vibration massage all in one ergonomic cushion. It cradles your neck at just the right angle to help correct posture and ease the tension that builds up from hours of screen time. The warmth stays steady and consistent, not too hot, not too cool, while multiple massage modes work out the knots at your own pace. It's wireless, charges via USB-C, and shuts off automatically, so you can just close your eyes and let it do its thing. Your backpack just got a glow up. This hard-shell motorcycle backpack comes with a full-color LED screen on the front that you fully control. Scroll your name, flash an animation, or display anything you want straight from an app on your phone. It's waterproof, scratch-resistant, and spacious enough to fit a helmet, laptop, and everything else you'd carry on a long ride. Reflective strips and a breathable back panel mean it's built for safety and comfort, not just looks. Whether you're commuting or hitting the open road, this one turns heads before you even park. Half your snacks go stale because bags never reseal properly. This fixes that. This tiny handheld sealer melts any plastic bag shut in one slow swipe. No preheating, no fuss. Flip it around, and the other end cuts cleanly through plastic too. 2 tools in one pocket-sized gadget. It sticks to your fridge with a built-in magnet, so it's always right where you need it. Batteries are included, so your sealing chips the moment it arrives. Fire up a hot meal anywhere, no kitchen required. This compact folding stove packs down small enough to toss in a bag, then opens up ready to cook in seconds. A single click lights the flame, and you control everything from a gentle simmer to a full boil. At 2,200 watts, it brings a liter of water to boil in just 3 to 5 minutes, so you're eating, not waiting. It even comes with its own carry bag, making it the perfect companion for camping, hiking, or keeping in the car for emergencies. Your tablet shouldn't just lean against a coffee mug and hope for the best. This compact folding stand holds any tablet or phone at whatever height and angle feels right, then folds flat enough to slip into a pocket when you're done. A gravity-based design means no fiddly clips or magnets, just set it down and it holds. Works with virtually every tablet, e-reader, and phone out there, from iPads to Kindles to a Nintendo Switch. Desk upgrade, travel essential, and it costs less than your last takeaway order. Your laptop setup just got a serious upgrade. This triple screen extender turns your single display into a full multi-screen workstation. Just plug it in and you instantly get extra space for work, gaming, or multitasking without constantly switching tabs. Each screen shows sharp 1080p visuals, so everything stays clear and easy to read. It's lightweight, foldable, and travel-ready, giving you a full desktop-style setup wherever you open your laptop. Packing for a trip just got way smarter. This travel backpack uses a built-in compression system that lets you shrink your clothes down in seconds to save a surprising amount of space. Just zip it, seal it, and remove the air to fit more without stuffing or forcing anything. It's also designed to be flight-approved, so you can carry it on without stress. Water-resistant material, smart pockets, and a comfortable back panel make it perfect for long travel days. One outlet shouldn't decide which device you charge. This universal travel adapter lets you plug in almost anywhere in the world without the guesswork. It features multiple ports, so you can power your phone, tablet, and more all at once. With fast charging support, your devices get powered up quickly instead of waiting around. Built-in safety protection keeps everything secure while you stay connected wherever you go. Wrinkled clothes don't stand a chance anymore. This handheld steamer smooths out your outfits in seconds without needing an ironing board. It heats up in just 15 seconds, so you're not stuck waiting when you're in a rush. With dual steam modes, you can safely handle both delicate fabrics and thicker materials. Compact, lightweight, and travel-ready, it works worldwide and shuts off automatically for extra peace of mind. Sleeping anywhere just got a serious upgrade. This self-inflating air mattress turns any space into a comfortable bed in minutes. With a built-in pump, you just press a button and watch it rise on its own. The sturdy design supports your body without that sinking feeling. Waterproof, non-slip, and easy to pack, it's perfect for guests, camping, or quick overnight setups. Your favorite products shouldn't stay behind when you travel. This all-in-one toiletries bottle keeps multiple essentials in one compact container. Just twist or press to switch between shampoo, lotion, or whatever you need. The leak-proof design keeps your bag clean, while the push-down dispenser gives you just the right amount every time. Lightweight and easy to carry, it simplifies your routine wherever you go. Traveling with multiple bags doesn't have to feel like a workout. This clever luggage set connects together, letting you roll everything as one smooth unit. Snap them together in seconds and control all your bags with just one hand. It's designed to move naturally, so you walk comfortably without awkward pulling or extra strain. When you're done, they neatly nest inside each other for easy storage at home. Avoid that last-minute airport panic before it even starts. This portable luggage scale lets you weigh your suitcase in seconds before you leave home. Just hook it on, lift, and get a clear digital reading instantly. It handles up to 110 pounds, so even heavy bags won't surprise you. The backlit screen, comfortable grip, and auto shutoff make it simple, reliable, and easy to carry anywhere. Your coffee doesn't have to stay home when you travel. This portable espresso maker lets you brew rich, cafe-style shots anywhere you go. Just add hot water, pump by hand, and watch it create smooth espresso with real pressure behind it. It reaches up to 18 bars, meaning you get that bold flavor and crema you actually expect. Compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, it turns any moment into coffee time. Airports just got a whole lot more fun. This rideable suitcase lets you sit down and glide instead of dragging your luggage behind you. With a built-in motor, it moves you smoothly through terminals while still working as a regular carry-on. It reaches speeds up to 8 miles per hour, so you actually keep up with tight schedules. A removable battery, TSA lock, and USB port make it just as practical as it is entertaining. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.